composite function, g of x is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2, and h of x is equals to x plus 2 over x minus 2. Find g composed of h of x. So this is equals to g of h of x. So g of x, kunin muna natin yung g of x is equals to x squared minus 4 over x plus 2. Pero kung pansinin ninyo, yung ating numerator, x squared minus 4, yan ay difference of 2 squares. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin yang makancel or ma-divide. Factor lang natin yung x squared minus 4. Kung difference of 2 squares, yan ay x, then positive and negative. Yung 4, square root ng 4 ay 2. Then x plus 2. So, pwede nating mag-cancel out yung x plus 2. Then, ang ating g of x na lang ay x minus 2. Then, yung ating h of x is equals to x plus 2 over x minus 2. So, g composed of h of x, that is equals to g of h of x. Ibig sabihin, yung value ng ating h of x ang isa-substitute natin sa value ng x ng g of x. So, g of h of x is equals to yung x ng g of x, papalitan natin ng x plus 2 over x minus 2. So, ito na yung ating x minus 2. Then, equals, mumultiply natin ito doon sa whole number. Okay, so magiging over 1 man ito, over 1. So, gagamit tayo ng butterfly method. Then, x plus 2 minus 2, ita times natin sa x minus 2 over x minus 2 times 1 or x minus 2 pa rin. Equals x plus 2, negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 over x minus 2 equals, combine like terms, x minus 2x is negative x, 2 plus 4 is positive 6, then x minus 2 equals, labas natin si negative, negative x, maiwan si x, then positive, magiging negative 6 over x minus 2. So, this is our answer.